Welcome to the most must-see WWE talk show in history. Welcome to Miz TV. And welcome to day 28 of the Miz's Intercontinental Championship Reunion Tour. Now, we all know that Miz TV is a star-studded event, if for no other reason that Miz TV always has my lovely wife and me. But tonight is special. Because tonight, Miz TV brings you two of the most powerful champions that WWE has to offer. Ladies and gentlemen, please get out of your seats for my guest at this time, the WWE Champion, AJ
Oh, Dean Ambrose, why did you say Dean Ambrose? AJ Styles, of course. Oh, Dean Ambrose is gonna...
WWE Champion AJ Styles was supposed to defend the title tonight against James Ellsworth, but the Flubach has beaten the ultimate underdog.
James Ellsworth goes to the hospital, gets fixed, and then quits the business forever. Artist goes to the hospital and doesn't ever come back.
Hello there, welcome to SmackDown Live. Mauro Ranallo along with David Otunga, JBL, and Tom Phillips. And while we watch the WWE Championship tonight, JBL, we do have a battle royal to determine #1 contenders for the Tag Team Championship.
Of course we do, and we still got Miz TV, we got the Intercontinental Champion, we got the WWE
Please,
Champion.
American Elbow, win that battle royal.
This is how you kick off SmackDown Live.
One second.
Can I start now? All right. AJ, welcome to the show. First and foremost, we just saw Daniel Bryan and Shane McMahon say that James Ellsworth will not be able to compete tonight.
Looks like he's calmed down with a little chinfluenza. I can't stop. Oh, Shane McMahon, Daniel Bryan did him a favor. A solid. But it's gonna happen. Eventually, sooner or later, I am going to destroy James Ellsworth right here in the middle of this ring.
But, I mean, you gotta think, how are you gonna sleep at night knowing that anywhere, anytime, you have to defend your WWE Championship against James Ellsworth?
Oh, Miz, you're funny, dude. You don't get enough credit for that. You're hilarious, man.
Oh, thank you. And your hair is way nicer than a soccer mom's.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, I'm trying to get that shampoo conditioner endorsement.
Are you kidding me? With that mane, there's no doubt. Look at that shine. But hey, let's not shine each other's titles too much here. I want to know what's next for AJ Styles.
I don't know. I'm sure that Shane McMahon and Daniel Bryan are asking themselves the same thing. I mean, I beat John Cena. I beat...
Just cute Dean Ambrose already.
You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna let you...
Dean Ambrose?
Dean Ambrose! How many times I have to beat him? And I've told you already, I'm going to destroy James Ellsworth. I mean, who else is there? I am the face that runs the place. I am the champ that runs the camp. I'm the longest reigning, most prestigious champion on SmackDown Live. Who else is there? I mean, you tell me, Miz, who else is on my level?
No, listen. There is no doubt that you are a great WWE Champion, and you are the longest reigning champion on SmackDown Live. But there is only one superstar in this ring that has brought their title from obscurity and taken it to new heights of glory. That WWE Championship is prestigious, of course. But I've taken the Intercontinental Championship and made it legendary. Now, no offense. No offense.
Really?
You've never beaten James Ellsworth, and you've been battling Dean Ambrose for months. I beat Dean Ambrose last week.
So what's your point, Miz?
My point is that you said nobody is on your level. You're right. I'm not on your level. I'm above it.
What the heck is this?
And maybe it's time that I made the WWE Championship legendary.
What the hell is this? Thank God.
Well, it looked as if AJ Styles and The Miz were going to square off, but here comes the lunatic fringe Dean Ambrose, who has issues with both champions.
Yeah, we thought things had gone south, but they've gone further south now that this lunatic Dean Ambrose has interrupted Miz TV.
Come on, John, they're just getting good.
Not only interrupted, but he's destroyed Miz TV. Oh!
Okay.
Dolph Ziggler making his presence known. Legendary rivalry with The Miz.
Now Miz TV is must-see. All right.
Yeah, you two big loudmouth paper champions out here
Obviously,
talking
I
a
know where
lot
this
of
is
game
going, but-
for two people who can't seem to win a match without cheating. Miz, if you didn't have Maurice's skirt to hide behind, hell, I guess you could hide behind AJ's, huh?
Oh! And the Miz getting attacked here by Ziggler.
These two have been going at each other. Animosity is very well known.
Miz delivers a skull-crushing finale, then he gets dropped with a dirty deeds by Ambrose. And WWE Champion AJ Styles surveying the landscape. Ooh. And a dirty deeds for Dolph Ziggler. Ooh. Out of nowhere, Luke Harper levels Dean Ambrose.
Holy.
AJ Styles, the discretion sometimes a better part of valor.
Are you serious?
What a chaotic start to
Holy
SmackDown
shit,
Live.
man.
Luke Harper eyeing the WWE Champion AJ Styles.
Luke Harper making his presence felt on behalf of the Wyatt family, and the Wyatts are going to have their eyes on this match. We learned earlier today via WWE.com
That's
the
so
entire
good.
SmackDown Live Tag Team division will compete in a Battle Royal tonight for an opportunity at the Wyatts Tag Team titles. What an opportunity tonight on SmackDown Live.
Yeah, well, Carmella has claimed that Natalya was the one who attacked Nikki Bella at Survivor Series. Natalya has denied this accusation and vows to teach Carmella a lesson. Natalya and Carmella, that is up next.
A rivalry for the ages
This fierce rivalry writing yet another chapter.
These two superstars know each other so incredibly well.
has come
This is what the women's evolution is all about.
to